There's a revolution happening in the world of action cameras, a massive shift that's changing the way creators capture their adventures, stories and moments forever. For years, we've been chasing smoother stabilization, sharper detail, and smarter design. But now it seems we've finally reached the next great leap forward. A camera that doesn't just record the action, it becomes part of it. And leading that revolution is a device that hasn't even officially launched yet, but it's already sending shockwaves across the camera industry. This is the story of the DJI Osmo Action 6, a camera so advanced that it could rewrite the rules of portable filmmaking forever. And if even half of the leaks are true, we're not just looking at an upgrade, we're witnessing the birth of a new generation of cinematic storytelling. The end of compromise. For decades, action cameras have been about one thing: compromise. You either got portability or performance, durability or dynamic range, battery life or brilliance. But DJI has never accepted limits. From the very first Osmo Action to every new generation, DJI's vision has been clear: to destroy compromise and give creators everything they need in one compact, intelligent device. Now, with the Osmo Action 6, that vision might finally be complete. We're talking about a camera that merges power with precision, speed with stability, and design with durability. A device that doesn't just capture the moment, it feels like it was built to live it. A legacy of relentless innovation. To understand how far DJI has come, let's rewind the timeline. The first Osmo Action shook the industry. Dual screens, flawless stabilization, and performance that made GoPros sweat. Then came the Action 2, a bold modular camera that experimented with creativity like never before. The Action 3 refined that formula, adding unmatched durability and user-friendliness. The Action 4 entered the low-light arena, making night footage finally usable. And the Action 5 Pro? That one sealed DJI's dominance: unbeatable battery life, clean audio, and professional flexibility. Each generation wasn't just about specs, it was about storytelling. And now the Action 6 feels like the moment where it all comes together, the ultimate expression of everything DJI has learned. This isn't just another iteration. This is the turning point, the sensor revolution. At the heart of every great camera is one key component: the sensor. It's the eye, the soul, and the ultimate measure of image quality. And with the Osmo Action 6, DJI is rumored to do something that will completely change the game: introduce a 1-inch CMOS sensor into a compact action camera. Let that sink in. A 1-inch sensor in something you can mount on your helmet, drone, or surfboard. That's not a small leap. That's a revolution. With this sensor, every frame bursts with life: richer colors that pop without looking fake, deeper shadows that hold real emotion, and highlights that stay smooth, even under blinding sunlight. Low-light shooting, traditionally the Achilles heel of action cameras, could finally look cinematic. Imagine capturing a late-night city ride, a campfire scene, or underwater bioluminescence, and every pixel looks alive. This isn't just image improvement, it's storytelling freedom. Processing power that redefines what's possible. Of course, a great sensor needs an equally great brain behind it, and DJI seems ready to unleash one of its most powerful processors yet: a next-generation image signal processor capable of handling 8K video at 30 frames per second. Yes, 8K resolution inside a palm-sized action camera. That's 33 million pixels per frame, letting you reframe, crop, and zoom without losing detail. You could shoot one wide 8K shot and later create multiple 4K clips from it, all from the same recording. Imagine turning a single mountain biking run into 3 different cinematic sequences. Each angle sharp, stable, and visually stunning. This isn't just about resolution. It's about creative control. It's about giving filmmakers freedom right inside their pocket. Slow motion and dynamic range mastery. If you live for speed, or the beauty of slowing it down, DJI has something for you too. Leaks suggest 4K at 120 FPS and 1080p at 240 FPS slow motion recording. That's not just smooth. It's buttery, cinematic, and ready to turn every drop, jump, and wave into art. And with an incredible 13.5 stops of dynamic range, you get a true balance between the brightest highlights and darkest shadows. The result? No more dull skies, no more black holes in your shadows. Just natural, film-grade visuals that feel alive straight out of the camera. Rocksteady 4.0 and AI-powered stabilization. Here's where DJI continues to crush the competition. Stabilization. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to feature Rocksteady 4.0, an AI-driven stabilization system that predicts your movements before they even happen. It analyzes motion in real time, adjusts each frame, and gives you footage smoother than what many gimbals can achieve. Add horizon-steady 360-degree lock, and you can flip, roll, or spin. Your horizon stays perfectly level no matter what you do. That's not stabilization anymore. That's intelligent motion design. Smarter controls, smarter connection. But DJI isn't just making a better camera, they're making a smarter one. Imagine this. You're biking, hiking, or diving, and you control your camera directly from your smartwatch. Start or stop recording. Switch modes, check battery, or even overlay live data like your speed, altitude, heart rate, or temperature, all in real time. This turns your footage into an experience, not just a recording. DJI wants to blend physical performance with storytelling, because today's creators don't just film life, they live it. Battery, storage, and rugged design, every action camera needs endurance, and DJI seems ready to deliver. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to feature 64 GB of built-in storage, so you'll never miss a shot. A 1950 mAh high-efficiency battery, optimized for 8K recording in cold environments, fast charging for quick turnarounds between shoots, all this packed in a slightly larger but better cooled chassis, complete with native waterproofing up to 20 meters, no housing required. From mountain trails to underwater depths, this thing is built to survive anything you throw at it. AI-powered software experience hardware gets you in the game, but software wins it. That's why DJI is reportedly overhauling its interface, simpler touch controls, advanced voice commands, and an AI scene detection system that adjusts color profiles, shutter and ISO automatically. You point, it thinks. You move, it adapts. You act, it creates. That's not just tech. That's creative intelligence. Cost, launch, price, and what to expect. All signs point to a launch around October 2025. Though some insiders believe DJI might surprise everyone with an early September reveal, the expected price? Between $329 and $429, a stunning value for what could be the most powerful action camera ever made. If true, DJI won't just be competing with GoPro, they'll be redefining the entire category. The bigger picture. At the end of the day, this isn't just about specs, it's about creators, the people behind the lens. The Osmo Action 6 represents more than another gadget. It's the result of years of feedback, passion, and engineering perfection. Compact yet powerful, durable yet elegant. This is the action camera we've all been waiting for. It's not just built to capture life. It's built to live it with you, the future of action filmmaking. So when DJI finally takes the stage to unveil the Osmo Action 6, don't expect just another launch. Expect a moment, a new chapter in the story of creative freedom. Because the future of storytelling doesn't belong to those with the biggest gear. It belongs to those who can carry cinema in their pocket. And that future, it's already here, and it's called the DJI Osmo Action 6.